For some of us, money management seems scary, complex, and complicated. Thus, we tend to avoid it until something serious happened and we have no choice but to face it. Don't wait till your money spirals out of your control. Money management is not that difficult, it just needs consistency. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Daytime Dollar. Today, we'll discuss about the golden rules of money management. Here are some golden rules of money management. Number 1. Don't complain about money. It can be easy to get caught up in our financial disappointments or setbacks, but complaining about your market returns when your friend is struggling to make ends meet might create resentment between the two of you. Be conscious of other people's circumstances when speaking about your finances, and don't be unfeeling to another person's problems. If you're comfortable opening up, that's great, but others might not be, so it's best to determine if someone is able and interested in speaking candidly about their finances before starting the conversation. Number 2. Don't judge other people's spending. Just like judging someone's actions without knowing the whole story can get you into trouble, it would also be disadvantageous and a little condescending to think that you know someone based on their spending habits. Remember that how your friend or family spends their money is their business, and they don't answer to you. You can express concern gently and respectfully if you feel like their spending might be causing a problem, but they may say that they don't want to talk about it. In that case, you need to respect that and move on with the conversation. Number 3. Spend less than you earn. We all know this is the most basic part of money management. If what you spend is less than what you earn, then you're in the safe zone. Try overspending for 1 or 2 months as a challenge, and you'll know how difficult it is to make it back to black. It can be extremely painful to find that extra money to pay for the overspent amount. So make sure you always spend within your means. Number 4. Pay yourself first. Always pay yourself first when you get paid, so you'll have to adjust your budget according to the remaining 90% of your income. Take about 10% of your monthly income and deposit this into a separate bank account for savings. Do not touch this savings unless it is an emergency. Make a short or long-term plan for this savings, such as deposit for a car, down payment for a house, wedding fund, or retirement fund. Number 5. Avoid bad debts. Bad debts are frivolous debts that are high in interest and do not bring you any returns, such as credit card debts. I know it's hard to overcome the temptation to spend using your credit card, but if you spend future money by swiping your credit cards, it will take you at least twice the effort to pay it back, and it will cost even more to clear your balance. Always use your credit card prudently. Number 6. Grow your money. Once you build up some savings, learn to grow the money. Try with some investment products such as unit trusts. Do not invest all in one go, and do not put everything in one fund. Like the popular advice goes, test the water. When you feel more comfortable and confident with your investment strategy, you can top up or diversify your investment. Do not expect your money to grow overnight, but do allow for a few years before you can see the result. Always make a point of understanding what you are investing in before putting your money in an investment. Number 7. Protect yourself and your wealth. I cannot stress enough the importance of having adequate insurance coverage for every part of your life. The operative word here is adequate, enough but not too much protection. This is even more crucial if you have a family spouse, kids, and other dependents. With our current economic and personal financial situation, it is likely that a single accident or critical illness can bankrupt us. With good insurance coverage, at least it can lessen the family burden during difficult time. Honestly, money management is not that complex. It is much simpler than handling a bankruptcy situation. Be a financial literate and tackle your finances step by step, one at a time. In the long run, you will be able to see the result. Number 8. Don't try to guess at other people's values. Everyone is entitled to their own beliefs and values, especially around money. Your friend or family member may not feel comfortable talking about how they grew up or the messages they received about money from their parents. Unless they're willing to open up to you, their motives may remain a mystery, which means you may never understand how or why people spend the way they do. Going out to eat or buying the latest gadget might be a fun and worthwhile experience for you, but your friend might have a scarcity mindset and feels like they need to save every dime. Respect someone's right to choose how to spend their own money, just like they respect your right to spend yours. Number 9. Be kind. When in doubt, be kind and remember that every person's values are individual to them, and not everyone wants to look deeper into themselves. Money is often a touchy subject for many of us, and relationships have been lost over perceived resentments around finances. Do your best to keep things in perspective and treat other people with respect and courtesy. Feeling strongly about a situation does not mean that you are right or that your advice or values are more important than the other person's. Treat others the way you want to be treated, and keep your eyes on your financial growth. So, guys, that was all about today's topic. See you soon. Goodbye.